Permission to begin search and rescue.
This is 666. We copy.
Begin search and rescue immediately. You must also restart the 650's engine and get it out of the magnetic storm.
Please proceed in an orderly manner to the rescue pod.
Let's move.
Tell me, babe.
This way. Please hurry, folks. There's nothing to be afraid of.
We've got a logjam here. Please stay calm and keep moving.
Let's go already, people. Get the lead out.
I love it when you stop walking. It's my favorite part.
So mild and loving.
That's the last one. All for takeoff.
Tell me how you
Now
feel.
the only thing left to do is restart the engine.
Right. I can handle that.
Be careful.
I just wanna know. If your love is real, real. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah.
Are you receiving me? Please come in.
I've been down this road of love, not far.
No signal. The communication link is down.
Captain, all sensors are failing, sir. There's no way to know what's happening on the 650.
Redirect our ship to intercept the 650 immediately.
Yes, sir.
There's something in my heart.
What's happening? The main engine's damaged. We're losing power. She's shutting down. Switch to auxiliary, now!
The 650 is gone. It just vanished.
I wanna know if love is something real.
Expand the search to include Area G. Monitor all frequencies. He might be trying to reach us.
Yes, sir.
Oh, baby, tell me how you feel. I wanna know if our love is something real. Oh, baby, let me in this dream. So wild and loving. You need to tell me this is not a hopeless dream. I'm addicted to your eyes of mystery. You're taking all my fears about tomorrow. When you hold me in your arms so endlessly, there's something in my heart, longing for a brand new start. It leads me slowly to you. Oh, baby, tell me how you feel. I wanna know if our love is something real. Oh, baby, let me in this dream. So wild and loving. Oh, baby, tell me how you feel. I wanna know if our love is something real. Oh, baby, let me in this dream. So wild.
It's not looking good, Captain. We've been searching for 6 hours and still no trace. Should we call it off, sir?
Tell me.
We can't just give up. He's gotta be out there somewhere. He's Manabu Yuuki of the SDF, and he's gonna make it, understand?
Is that it?